In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TeamGate CRM with Stripe, and I'll also give you a quick overview of TeamGate CRM so you can see if it's the right tool for your business. Stay tuned till the end, because not only will I show you how to set it up, but I'll also give you an exclusive extended free trial to TeamGate and introduce some alternatives that might actually serve you better when it comes to CRM and payment processing. To start, TeamGate CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management system designed to help small to mid-sized businesses manage their sales processes and customer interactions. It's got a user-friendly interface with robust tools like sales pipeline management, email tracking, and reporting. But the big question is, how does it connect with Stripe? First, the process is pretty simple, but you'll need to have both accounts active, TeamGate CRM and Stripe. If you don't have them set up yet, go ahead and sign up for both. I'll give you a minute, but once you've got your accounts set up, it's time to connect them. Next thing, once logged into your TeamGate CRM account, you want to head over to your account settings. From there, find the Integrations section. Now, here's where the magic happens. Scroll through the integrations and look for Stripe. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to enter your Stripe API keys. You can grab these directly from your Stripe dashboard. If you're unsure, Stripe makes it easy to find them under your developer settings. Now, the fourth thing to keep in mind is that TeamGate CRM can sync your customer data with Stripe, meaning you can easily create invoices or manage payments directly from within your CRM. This eliminates the need to switch between apps, which is a huge time saver. But here's the kicker. While TeamGate CRM and Stripe make a good combo, they do have limitations. TeamGate's customer support, for example, can sometimes be a little slow compared to other CRMs on the market. The integrations, although useful, aren't as extensive as other CRM options out there. And if you're running a larger business or need more advanced reporting features, you might find yourself outgrowing TeamGate sooner rather than later. Now, the fifth thing I want to point out is that while TeamGate and Stripe are useful, you may want to consider alternatives that could better align with your goals. If you're looking for more robust integrations, easier customization, and better scalability, HubSpot CRM is a great option. It offers deeper integration with Stripe, advanced reporting, and a free tier that's much more comprehensive than TeamGate's offering. But wait, there's more. As I mentioned at the beginning, I've got an exclusive extended free trial to TeamGate CRM for you. This gives you extra time to explore its features and see if it works for your needs. And if it doesn't, I've also provided links to the best alternatives with free trials, alternatives that might actually be better suited to the goal of connecting your CRM and Stripe. They also come with exclusive benefits that you can't get anywhere else. So, to recap, connecting TeamGate CRM with Stripe is simple and can save you time managing payments and customer info. But if you need a more scalable solution with more integrations and flexibility, HubSpot CRM could be a better fit. Use the link below to get the best deal, including exclusive benefits and an extended free trial. Don't forget to explore the alternatives I've linked for even more powerful options.